In this tutorial, we are going to cover the Excel file operation in Pandas. So first I'm going to show you the Excel file which I am going to use in this tutorial. This is a Excel file of one of the software company called as MHM, and there are people who are working in this company in a different project in a number of hours. The joining date of the employee, the year which on which they are actually joined, and the registration number of the employee. So we have almost 34 readings inside it. In 34 readings, we have different data which is available to us. So we are going to analyze this file using Pandas library, and we are going to do a lot of operations with the data which is available to us. So let's start. In the first part, we are going to load two important libraries, and these two important libraries, Pandas as PD and NumPy as NP. Now, in the next part, we are actually going to read this Excel file using pd.read.excel. So this will be the reading of the file. You can see, okay, the same which we have seen in the Excel can be seen over here. Now, in the next part, we are going to read the first 10 readings of it. And we can read the last 10 reading of it. So you might be wondering what is the use of reading first 10 readings. So you can understand the column name and the data which is available in the column. You can check one more thing, and that is uh, last tail. So when you check a tail, you can get what are the last reading which are available. Sometime it may work, like is null option might work for this. So when you do that, you get false reading. That means all readings all are full. Okay. So false means the readings are full. If some data is missing, then it is going to show true for that condition. You can check the different data type of the column name. So you can see registration number is integer, year is integer, the joining date is date time data type, then we have name in the object, then we have project and number of hours in integer. Okay, now we are going to find the sum, mean, maximum and minimum of number of hours which are available. Okay, so number of hours, sum is 850, the mean is 25.75. The maximum value is 50, the minimum value is 5. Okay, now we can insert the stipend or incentive as a one column over here, and now right now we are going to feed it with none. Okay, now what we can do in the next, we are going to take two columns, name of number of project and number of hours. We are going to find the sum of it, and we are going to create a data frame of this. Okay, so the data type and the data frame for this, you can see here. Okay, now we can read the first the reading which is equal to 10th reading of the registration number. Okay, we can read the column of 1, 3 and 4 from the total Excel sheet. Very nice. We can read the number of projects which are greater than 6, the readings which have the number of project greater than 6. Okay, you can see here. We can check the name which is starting with P. You can see Path, Prajakta, Paras, Path, and Puja is starting with a P. You can even check the project between 6 to 10. Okay, 6 project or 10 project. So 6 and 10 project, not in between. 6 and 10 project you can check out. You can check whether there is a name called Sankit Churi and Sapna Mishra in the group. Yes, that two persons are there in the group, and we can check the year, name, project, everything detail about them. We can check the data frame which having the project more than 6. Okay, great. Okay, and finally we can check or sort the number of project. This will be come in term of sequence. Okay, so all the operations which is possible with Excel file using Pandas has been covered in today's tutorial.